Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Check that your device has Wi-Fi or cellular data and that other apps load. Once confirmed, force stop Capcut and reopen it. This clears transient glitches and restarts connections. Make sure the app is updated. Outdated builds often fail network handshakes, so install the latest version if available. If you use a VPN, disable it for testing, because encrypted routes can block Capcut servers. Do this now and observe any change. Next, you isolate network causes by toggling Wi-Fi off, then on, or switching to mobile data to see if the problem follows the network. Once done, open system settings and confirm Capcut has permissions for storage, background activity, and network access. Without them, uploads/downloads fail. If problems persist, clear the app cache first. If still broken, clear app data but make sure you back up projects beforehand, because clearing data removes local edits. Export any important projects before you proceed. To finish, uninstall and reinstall Capcut. A fresh install replaces corrupted components and often restores server access. After reinstall, sign back in and test with a small file. If uploads and downloads succeed, the issue is resolved. If you still see connection errors, try on another device to rule out device-level issues, or reset your network settings as a last resort to remove stubborn DNS or proxy entries. Quick troubleshooting tip: if reconnect fails, change
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.